Isang netizen ang hindi nga napigilan na magbigay ng kanyang reaksyon matapos mapanood ang guesting or ang collaboration ni Ninong Rai with SB19. Mula kay Jeka Anaya, aniya, mga trying hard pala sila, referring to SB19. I was watching a video of Ninong Rai talking with SB19 at may part sa conversation na tila talagang napaisip ako. Tinanong kasi sila kung paano sila nagsimula at kung magagaling na ba silang sumayaw pa dati. And what surprised me is halos lahat sa kanila sinabi na hindi naman talaga sila marunong sumayaw noong una. Natuto lang sila dahil sa sobrang daming practice, training at repetition. Kumbaga, hindi sila nagsimula na magaling agad. Pinagdaanan talaga nila yung process ng pag-aaral. Then they heard or they shared na noong nagsisimula pa lang sila, sobrang trying hard daw talaga sila. Then sabi ni Ninong Rai, trying hard kayo kasi yun yung gusto nyong gawin. And doon ako napaisip. Kasi di ba the culture natin madalas ginagamit yung word na trying hard as an insult. Parang negative siya. Parang sinasabing pilit or masyadong nagpapapansin. But when you think of it, hindi ba ganun naman talaga nagsisimula ang lahat? Nobody starts great. Lahat ng magagaling ngayon, dumaraan muna sa phase na nag-aaral pa lang sila. Nagkakamali, oo, trying hard. Kung tutuusin, trying hard is just another way of saying you care enough to improve. You're willing to practice, you're willing to look like a beginner, and you're willing to put in the effort kahit hindi ka pa magaling. And that made me realize something. Maybe trying hard is not something we should be ashamed of, because sometimes the only difference between people who succeed and people who quit is this. Yung iba, tumigil nung napagod na sila sa pagtatry. Pero yung iba, nag-trying hard lang or nag-try hard kahit pagod na sila hanggang gumaling sila. Anyway, say nga ng mga kapwa 18s or ng ibang netizen na very well observation daw ang ibinahaging ito ng isang fan. Na yes, minsan ang trying hard na word ay napaka-negative tignan. Pero kung tutuusin, ang trying hard ay isang the best word na masasabi mo na ginawa mo yung the best mo, ginawa mo yung lahat ng magagawa mo to fulfill kung ano yung nais mo. Yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.